Hello and welcome to Dashforce News. I'm Mark Mason and I'm joined by a very special guest today, Todd Ronan, who is the CEO of Rewards.com. How's it going, Todd?
Hey, very good. Hi, everybody. Glad to be here and talking about rewards and Dash.
Right, I've got a few questions for you to help educate the Dash community, Dash international community, more about Rewards.com. So let's just start off. What is Rewards.com?
So Rewards.com is a loyalty and rewards platform. We have about 7,000 merchant partners worldwide. The current Rewards.com that is up now has about 1,000 merchants in it. It's a U.S. Program. We will be relaunching it with a whole new look and feel after we finish with our token sale. But right now you can go in and enjoy the merchant brands that are there. And we're allowing right now for the consumers to shop and earn some Dash back.
Fantastic. So can you just explain simply what the step-by-step process of how to use Rewards.com to earn Dash is?
Yeah. So you just go to the Rewards.com website and you register and set up an account. And then to select Dash as your earning preference, you go to the My Account page and you go down to the payment preferences and you select Dash. You put in your Dash wallet. Then you go out to one of the merchant partners, Lowe's, Macy's, Nike, all the travel partners, and you shop at one of the merchant partners. They'll report the transactions back to us. They'll pay us in fiat for a portion of that transaction, whether it's 3-5% back of that transaction. So say you spend $100, you're going to earn back say $5 in Dash currency, and what will happen is that transaction will show up in your account after a couple days. And at that point, it'll be in a pending status, and that status is really for product returns and et cetera. And then when we process those transactions, and those transactions are finalized and clear, we'll send you that portion of Dash to your Dash account.
Excellent. So
it's as simple as that.
It sounds pretty straightforward to me, which is simple is always good. And you mentioned a few merchants there as well, which is kind of good because that's what I want to get to next. So do you know how many users you currently have on your platform, registered on your platform? But also as well, could you just mention a few of the top performing merchants that you have?
Yeah. So the platform hasn't been up very long. I actually bought the domain about 2-3 years ago and kind of set it aside because we had some other businesses that we were working on and clients that we were working on. We've been in the loyalty industry for about 20 years, built a lot of the programs for the banks and the airlines. And we started to put a points coalition, traditional points coalition program on it. And the last year we decided to pivot towards the cryptocurrency market. So organically, what we have is we have about 250,000 consumers that are registered in there. We have about 6 million consumers that we'll start marketing to traditional points and loyalty programs from our previous business that we'll start marketing here. And some of the top merchants, like I said, we have 7,000 merchant partners globally. It's everything from Macy's, Lowe's, Home Depot, Expedia, Travelocity, the airlines, the hotels, etc. So, and ultimately, when we relaunch this, it covers more than just the retail shopping. We have partners like Susan B. Komen for charity and donations. We have other partners for lending and loans. So there will be more things and healthcare partners, etc. Because rewards really covers a broad aspect of our lives. So as we go along, we'll include both the earning and redemption side of a lot of different programs and options for you.
Right. Okay. Yeah, this is quite interesting because rewards is actually a token as well, which Dash users may not be aware of, which kind of brings me to the question, why did you decide to partner with Dash? Amongst the competition, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. Why Dash?
Right. Right. Well, and so you're right. Rewards. We're right now in the middle of our token sale. So we're in fact, we're going to extend to your Dash viewers. We accept Dash. In our token sale, you do have to have a referral code to get into the token sale when you go to rewardstoken.io. And for the Dash customers, that's simply Dash as your referral code. But rewards tokens, we looked at when we started talking with Dash, we realized that Dash was really a retail payment focused solution, and we're a rewards solution. So we have a great opportunity to build a full payment and reward solution for our retailers, and be able to go to them with a full package that runs on the crypto market. So when you pay with your Dash, you're going to earn some reward currency back, and you can take your reward currency and come in and redeem that at the merchant partners or trade it out for Dash, etc. So we see a long-term relationship with Dash, the Dash community, mainly because we're very aligned with the same type of focus and the same type of business partners relationships.
Excellent. Yes, I think there's so much potential for this because even just to onboard people that aren't even in Dash, just to make them aware of the situation. So the loyalty points industry is absolutely huge. So my question to you, I guess I should really be answering this, but I'll put it towards you. So what is the advantage of earning Dash over receiving loyalty points for those that are unfamiliar with Dash?
Well, so part of the reason that we decided to take rewards.com and take it into the crypto market, and this applies to Dash as well as our own reward currency, is that it's actually putting true value into that point and that earnings that you have. Right now, if I earn points from an airline or a hotel partner, it doesn't have any real value to it. And what it does to the underlying program is it creates liability to that program. So basically, they hold the liability. They put out these points that don't have any real value to them. And you can do very similar things with them. You can trade them out for travel. You can turn them into gift cards. You can donate them. You can even take them out to points exchanges and exchange your hotel points for your airline points. But ultimately, it has no value. So the program is incentivized to actually devalue their currency constantly. And that's why we see all the blackout periods and the restrictions and the added fees that keeps getting added on more and more, because they're trying to hold down the cap of that liability, and they're trying to hold down their base cost on the point. So by turning it into cryptocurrency and instilling the value up front, with the currency, it puts real value into the currency, and it makes the currency's value representative of the engagement of the community. So the more the community engages, the better the value of the currency becomes. And
it's Dash. What's not to love?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Absolutely. So I noticed on the website there's a feature. Rewards.com for those out there watching. There's a feature on the menu that says share a link. What is the share a link option and how does it work?
So the share a link is basically once you set up your account, you can select one of the merchants and you can create a share a link. And basically that is a link that is tied to your account that you can share with family or friends that may not have an account with rewards or may not be involved in the cryptocurrency market. And if they use that link to go shopping, so you get your father is remodeling, your father, mother are remodeling their house. Well, you can give them a share link for Home Depot or Lowe's that says, hey, buy everything for your remodel through my share link. Well, they get their purchases like they normally do, and you end up getting your cryptocurrency. So you end up getting the reward for their shopping activity.
That's great. I think that's going to actually be really popular with YouTubers because they're always putting the Amazon affiliate links, whether they're doing shopping haul videos or tech videos or PC videos. This is a whole new avenue to earn it. And I agree. A lot of these loyalty points just get lost in the ether. People forget about them. And yeah, I think it's going to open up the market to bigger, better things.
Well, I think part of the reason they get lost is because they really don't have value. So we talk a lot about to the crypto community here. We talk a lot about shopping instead of mining. Do your everyday activity. Buy your shoes, your clothes, your toothbrush, your toilet paper. Buy it online. Buy it through the portal. Earn some cryptocurrency back, and you know what? It may change in value. It may go up. It may go down, but you have that opportunity to have real value in your currency when you go to redeem it.
So you mentioned previously that there's 7,000 merchants, over 7,000 merchants. But am I right in understanding that you can actually search for products themselves as well?
Yeah, we have we take in product feeds from our merchant partners. So we take in about 100 million products right now. So you can search for products. And what one of the improvements that we're making to the new platform where it launches here is we're adding some more AI, to it to help refine the product search and the merchant selections to your particular taste and what you want to see on the program. So we're pretty excited about that.
Yeah, that's brilliant. That's amazing. So if I want to buy like a new MacBook, or if I want to go on holiday, book a hotel or a flight, I can go on there. I noticed you've got hotels.com. Was it 5%? Yes. So, and lots of clothing and stuff as well. So it really is for everyone. The Walmart one as well kind of took me by surprise. So yep. I think that would be just amazing functionality just to go on there. Next time you want to buy something. And of course, the trick is once you've used it once and you've saved, 5, 6, 7% on a product, next time you want to buy something, you're obviously going to go back because you can get a discount. So it has that positive feedback loop. And I really like that.
That's right. Yeah, no, we love it. And, we realized, last year that rewards and loyalty industry really fits well with, the cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. So ultimately, and our ultimate goal here is, to create the full currency ecosystem around rewards. And then we'll have a blockchain protocol coming out, allowing our, other programs to be able to white label their own currency that tethers to that, blockchain. And we're very excited about that. And it will take a lot of what is traditionally managed in a centralized system, such as consumer profile, demographics, and move that to the protocol where consumers can have a lot more control over how that information is used and shared, across the merchant market or the program market.
Fantastic. So moving forward, what are the rewards.com future plans for new merchants, new features, functionality? Any gossip you can share with us?
Well, yeah. So right now we're in the middle of our token sale. So we are selling, doing a pre-sale on the rewards tokens. You can buy them with your Dash to get into the site. Use Dash as a referral code, and that'll allow you into the site for making a purchase. And then once we're through this phase of our token sale, we'll be launching the new version of the US product, quickly followed by UK, and then we have an 11-country rollout period. We'll be launching a new country about every 2 to 3 months, and so that'll go on for about 3 years. We'll be launching new countries, and we'll probably have an extended rollout of more countries as we go along. But right now, we see on the horizon about 11 countries over the next 3 years.
Wow, that's an impressive roadmap. So you've obviously got a lot in the pipeline to come down the road. So I guess I should ask, do you have a blog? People that are interested and want to know more, where can they go to find out the latest information?
So the information right now is at rewardstoken.io. So that's rewardstoken.io. So you can find all the information about rewards there. We're starting to put up more information about our relationship with Dash and what we're doing with Dash long term. So we're very excited about our partnership with Dash, and having Dash as a close partner with the rewards currency and the rewards ecosystem. And I think we can go a long ways in penetrating that retail payment and rewards market. And I think we can do big things here. So we're very excited about it.
Well, Todd, you've been brilliant. Thank you for answering my questions.
Yes, thank you for having me on, and appreciate being able to talk to the Dash community here.
Oh, absolutely. I will share this out with the Dash International community. So for those of you watching this, make sure you like and subscribe, and more importantly, share with your friends and family. This goes beyond Dash because they can actually earn Dash back. We're going to have to start that hashtag earn Dash back.
Yep.
And yeah, that's great. So yeah, if you have any comments or suggestions, write in the comments below. And if you have any questions that I've missed out that you want answered, I can always get back in contact with Todd. So is there anything you want to add, Todd?
So yeah, remember, shop, don't mind. Get your wives out there shopping so you can earn the cryptocurrency back, and it'll be a great world. You might end up paying for her shopping.
Love it, Todd. That's a great way to finish the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Dash Force News. Bye for now.
All right, bye guys.